In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the Temu app with our full tutorial. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth shopping experience. First things first, you'll need to visit Temu's platform, which can be accessed via their website or the mobile app. So go ahead and navigate to temu.com or simply open the Temu app on your smartphone. Once there, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to start shopping right away. Now, before you get too excited about shopping, let's make sure you're logged in. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and sign in. If not, you'll need to set up an account by following the app's straightforward registration process. Being logged in is essential for tracking your orders and enjoying a personalized shopping experience. Once you're logged in, the fun part begins, browsing through the vast selection of products. Take your time and explore various categories, or you can use the search function to find something specific. Found what you're looking for? Great! Click on the product to view more details such as specifications and customer reviews. After you've made your decision, it's time to add the desired item to your cart. Simply click on the Add to Cart button. Don't forget to carefully review the quantity. You want to make sure you're ordering the right amount. Adjust the number if necessary before proceeding, so you won't end up with more or less than you intended. When you're ready to make your purchase, click on Checkout. This will lead you to the order summary page where you can review all the items in your cart to ensure everything is correct. Next, it's time to fill in your shipping details. Enter your address where you'd like your items to be delivered. If you're in a hurry, Temu offers a handy feature where you can search using an address, street name, or house number, making it quick and error-free. After that, attention turns to payment methods. Temu offers a range of secure payment options. Choose the one that suits your preference best, whether it be a credit card, digital wallet, or other accepted methods. Once you've reviewed your order and payment details, you can confidently proceed to the final step. Click on Proceed to Checkout to finalize your purchase. Congratulations, you've successfully placed an order on the Temu app. That wraps up our tutorial. We hope this guide has helped you navigate the Temu app seamlessly. Happy shopping, and we'll see you in the next video.